And we are live. Facebook family, hello, hello. I am here, Annick Patry, beautiful Monday morning, sunny and windy, with the amazing, gorgeous Danielle Bellili.
Yes.
Danielle Bellili, she owns this studio here where I've been practicing yoga for the last nearly 3 months, 4 or 5 times a week, keeping really fit. And it's called Botannix, a yoga and Pilates studio in Botany, and she's doing an amazing job. She's got great teachers, and this is heaven on earth with like this beautiful garden here. And we've got Buddha. We've got Buddha with us.
Botany Buddha.
Do you want to say hi, Daniel? Do you want to say a little word about
Hi,
your
everyone.
studio?
For those who haven't met me, thank you for joining. We're very excited to talk about what we have going on in this space very soon. Welcome to the community. This space is for everyone. You don't have to be put together. You can turn up as you are here. There's something on for everybody, whether you like sound healing or strong movement, or you're here to relax, or here to just get aligned and centered or reconnect with yourself. There's always something on.
Yeah, beautiful. I love this place. And I have an invitation for you to come and play here at Botannix, soak into the energy of the Bali Garden, and receive a voice activation workshop that I'll be hosting on the Sunday, the 16th of June. Welcome to June, welcome to winter. And it's all about liberating your voice with sound somatically, and also communicating your truth, getting really clear about who you are and what you want to express in the world. So we'll do that through really powerful exercises and very playful, innovative activities. And also I'm going to end the workshop for you to help you to integrate the beautiful learning and tools into a sound journey, a sound bath to relax and integrate.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, there's nothing better than speaking your truth and sitting with your own voice and being comfortable with what you want to say and expressing yourself how you want to say it. And I know that Annick will know how to help you bring that out.
Yeah, super fun. So come and join us at Botannix on the 16th of June, a beautiful Sunday afternoon at 1 p.m. Get your ticket either in Danielle Botannix Instagram link in the bio, or in my bio, or below this video. It's a moment's link. So book your spot. Come with a friend. Come and receive and play and learn and discover more about your own voice and your own communication. Come and play and liberate yourself.
Annick ran a workshop here just a few months ago, and the energy in the room, I heard it was phenomenal. We got feedback saying that when are we going to do the next one, so we brought it back for you again. This time we're really diving deeper into that voice activation. Yeah,
amazing. Yeah, it was super fun.
Should we show them the garden quickly? We'll just
you're gonna travel
no,
with
I
the
just
camera?
see if we can go closer. The best. We'll see if the wind chimes will perform for us.
Oh, yeah. Nice. How beautiful. All right, friends. Nice being with you on Monday morning. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to play. I'll put the link below the video. I remember I'm on Facebook now. All right. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Come and receive this beautiful voice activation. Liberate your voice. Speak your truth. Lots of love. Bye for now.